In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create toast notification in Figma. A toast notification is that small, unobtrusive message that briefly appears on a screen to confirm an action, flag an error, or share a quick update. We'll keep this simple and efficient by using a ready-made community template and then tailoring it to your design. Start by heading to figma.com. Make sure you're signed in so you can access and save files to your drafts. Once you're on the homepage, look for the community section. This is where designers share files, templates, and resources you can reuse. It's a huge time saver and a great way to learn best practices from real-world examples. Inside community, use the search bar and type toast notification. You'll see a range of options from minimal UI kits to richly styled components. If you want to narrow the results, focus on files that clearly mention variants or component sets because those will be easier to reuse. Preview a few options and skim the descriptions to confirm they include states like success, warning, error, and info, as well as options for different placements and sizes. Once you find a template you like, open the file and click Open in Figma. Depending on the file, you might see a button labeled Duplicate. That will place a copy in your drafts, which works the same for our purposes. After it loads, you're ready to customize. Begin by editing the text to match your message. Keep toast copy short and clear. One concise sentence is ideal. Swap the icon to match the state. A check for success, an alert for warning, an exclamation for error, and an info symbol for neutral tips. Update colors to align with your design system. A strong green for success, amber for warning, and red for error all work well, but ensure there's enough contrast between the background and the text so it's readable. If the template uses auto layout, adjust padding and spacing to control the size. Set the container to hug contents if you want the toast to resize based on the length of the message, or fix the width for consistency. Tweak the corner radius, shadows, and stroke to match your product's style. For placement, position the toast near the bottom or top edge of your frame with consistent margins and set constraints so it stays anchored as the frame resizes. If the template includes variants, pick the state you need and switch between them without rebuilding. And if there are prototype interactions, fine-tune the easing and duration so the toast slides in and fades out smoothly in around 1/4 of a second. That's it. Open, select, and customize a polished toast notification in Figma, fast and clean.